Cha. Thank you for me saying this sleep on a bugger them. No, I will leave for them more whole me set so now with piece of onion and pepper and skeleton time and the side set so with turtle oil. Dash! Turn on me then yes, what a vibes man.
Real better them. Cause them no know when we a buy 3 sardine and the 1 pound of rice from shop. And them
You want fuckers in a market, just say come draw left. Ready
Yeah,
to
but
come
on
in
it,
and
circle what
fuck 2 best.
are you too funny? Anyways. Brother, we are calling names of a brother. What the fuck you are calling that? Yo, you mention a man, we just hear artists that sing about when him broke on sardine and rice him could afford it. I'm no bumbo clock go so in a youth. Something smell fishy, or him can buy sardine and can buy mackerel, brother. Yo, he's a man that ever smell rhino, so you might tell him know your bumbo clock self down there, so. Take that back, my youth, dog. Bumbo clock, dog. You know, so brother, you know, say a tuna run the place now, dog. Tuna, you can't remember that tuna the police and news, dog. What if I'm also, dog? You know, I'm a Dave now going, I'm afraid of you, dog. Bumbo clock, mackerel time up, brother. People, I'm tired of bumbo clock, mackerel now, dog. Licking on your face, youth. Oh, sir, that's the brain. You never know, batty boy, a tomato badness. Oh, alright. Bumbo clock, that's gone, brother. No problem. Yo, where I go? I'm not done yet, brother. Feel man, I saw soap you can get rid of one so easy. So that way you do a while ago, you man, kill off you, your family, every bumbo crack over this side of the car.
Gone up town with a little mix reps. Gun from the little baby stand up and left. Government badness and jewelness. We will let my dogs when we roll out that markets.
Yo, Bill, better stop fucking around. Shut up,